Today we are unlocking a secret that will instantly make you sound more like a native Spanish speaker. It is important that we remember the conjugation of the verb tener. Tengo, tienes, tiene, tenemos, tenéis, tienen. Repeat it after me, please. Tengo, tienes, tiene, tenemos, tenéis, tienen. In today's lesson, we will learn how to use the verb tener with common expressions, how to modify the intensity, and how to apply these expressions in a real-life conversation. In English, we say, I am hungry, I am cold, I am in a hurry, but in Spanish, no. We use tener, which means to have. Sounds weird. Trust me, I'll make sense in a second. Check this out. Instead of saying estoy frío, which means I am cold, you should say tengo frío, which is I have cold. Weird in English? Yes. Normal in Spanish? 100%. For these expressions, we will use the verb tener instead of the verb to be, instead of the verb ser or estar. Now, let's explore on how to modify the intensity. It is possible to vary the meaning of your expression by using the following adverbs: mucho, poco, muchísimo, and algo de. Therefore, if you want to add a little bit more of meaning to your sentence, as for example, tengo sueño, you could say tengo mucho sueño, meaning I am very sleepy. Or tengo muchísima hambre, which means I am very hungry. Imagine this, you are a high school student in the US taking Spanish class. One day, during lunch, your friend Maria, a Spanish exchange student, sits with you. The conversation goes like this. Ayer tuve un examen de matemáticas difícil. Creo que no tengo razón en muchas respuestas. She said, tengo razón. What do you think she means? Tengo razón means, I don't think I'm right. I am wrong. No te preocupes, you can say back. Seguro que tuviste suerte. Tener suerte. Interesting. That's to be lucky, right? I'm sure you were lucky. So by learning these expressions with tener, you'll be able to express common feelings and situations more naturally. Practice with these expressions in your notebook. And now, guess the expression. You will see a picture, and then you will try to decide on your own what is the right answer. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.